Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we are going to be making a Kadai Mixed Vegetable recipe, and this is a suggestion by Malkeet Singh.
Let's try it out.
Let's do this. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that are going to the Kadai Veggie Mix. We have potato, tomato, carrots, cauliflower, peas, green beans, onion, yellow bell pepper, oil, heavy cream, kasuri methi, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, dried chilies with the seeds removed, coriander powder, and cumin seeds. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. The first step we're going to do is we're going to dry roast the whole spices. So we'll add the cumin and the dried chilies. And this is over low heat, no oil, just a completely dry kadai. The whole spices are finished dry roasting. We'll let them cool down now, and then once they cool down, we'll put them in the mortar and we will grind them up. Okay, we have the tomatoes in the blender and we'll go ahead and zap it down, make a little puree out of it. I have the kadai on medium heat. Now I'll put half of the oil into the kadai and get that melted down. We're going to start by cooking our veggies. First we'll put the potatoes. Then I'll add the peas. Next I'll add the carrots. Add the cauliflower. And we'll add the green beans. Now I'll add the cover, and we'll let the veggies cook down until they're almost finished, about 80% of the way cooked. And I'll stir as needed. I'm not just going to leave them unattended. So I'm just doing a quick fork test on the potatoes. I can deal with the other vegetables having a little bit of bite on them, but I don't like potatoes that aren't cooked nice and thoroughly. Just about there. The vegetables are looking good. They're just about done. I'll now add the yellow bell pepper. And I'll also add half of the whole spice that we ground up in the mortar. We'll give that a quick toss and we'll cook the vegetables until they're finished cooking. Once they're finished cooking, we're going to remove them from the kadai to start preparing the sauce. We'll start preparing the gravy for the veggies. We'll start by adding the remainder of the oil to the kadai. We'll get that melted down. As soon as that's melted down, we'll add the onion. We'll cook the onions for a couple minutes till they soften up. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Next I'll add the tomato puree. Learned our lesson from the last time. Didn't have the kadai so hot this time. Much better. We'll cook the tomato puree down until it becomes a nice thick paste. And then we'll add the rest of the spices into it. Okay, the gravy is a really nice thick consistency now. We'll add the remainder of the dry spices. We'll let this cook down for 30 seconds or so. Then we'll add a little bit of water. We'll add maybe a half a cup of water to let the gravy be able to fully cover the vegetables when we put it in, and then we'll evaporate off that water after we have the veggies in. Okay, we'll add the water. It's looking good. We're ready to add the vegetables to it. Okay, we'll add the veggies. Give that a quick toss and get the gravy all incorporated into it. It's looking like I need a little bit more water, so I'll add about another half cup. Much better. The veggies are looking good. We'll now add the garam masala. And we'll add the kasuri methi. Get that stirred in. And we'll let this simmer for a couple of minutes. Now we'll add the cream. And our Kadai Mixed Veggie is now ready to plate up, put it to the test. Well, how's that looking?
It looks really good.
You ready to put it to the test?
I am.
Let's do it. So I found a Punjabi Kadai mixed vegetable recipe off of the internet, and I'll put a link down in the description to the recipe, so if you want to recreate it for yourselves, just check the description. What do you think, Malkeet? Does it look good?
Smells good.
It looks really appetizing to us.
It does.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Get a piece of potato with it.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice flavor.
Very good.
It's very mild.
It is.
I was a little bit worried about the red chili. I didn't know how it was going to hit Mumsies. I'm glad it's not very spicy.
It's doing okay.
Good. Potatoes cooked all the way through.
Mm-hmm. It's very flavorful.
Very nice.
Another good one.
Yeah, very good. It's different from the mixed veg that I usually make.
Mm-hmm.
I usually make it like the Polynesian style.
Yeah.
A lot of coconut cream in it.
Right.
The Fijian spice blend that I have.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is a good change
It
up.
is very good.
Yeah, it's nice and different.
Very, very good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the spice blend is outstanding. Really, really deep flavor in it.
Very deep.
Yeah. For those that don't think vegetarians eat well, they haven't tried Indian vegetarian food.
No. Nothing bland or boring about it at
No.
all.
Every single dish is just off the charts.
Mm-hmm.
It's so flavorful.
So good. Good find.
Yeah, nice suggestion, Malkeet. Very good suggestion.
Yeah.
What will we eat next? Abinash Panagrehi. The rest of you will have to wait and see. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate
We
it.
sure do.
Until next time.
Bye.